We go carry waka go do correct check for Edo Forest. Make we for fit catch the NamaNama people wey dey kpai people anyhow, pursue them comot for the state. Obaseki na him talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say state government go launch ogbonge operation to go do ogbonge check for forests wey dey for the state. Make dem for fit gbab the NamaNama people wey dey kpai people like fowl. Sake of say state government don ready gidigba to pursue bad people comot from the state. Governor Obaseki talk this one as he lead some oga patapata on top security matter for the state to go do ogbonge check for Ugo community wey dey for Orion local government area for Edo. The way can see governor come throw away pity for the families of the people wey NamaNama people kpai. As he yarn say all of them carry this waka come the community to come tell them say belle no sweet government them at all on top the kind bad thing wey don shele so. As e be say na their duty to protect people lives and properties.
Let me specially acknowledge and condole with the families of the bereaved who lost their lives in the unfortunate incident a couple of weeks ago. I am here today with the Commissioner of Police of Edo State. He is new. He has been here to investigate what happened himself. I'm also here with the brigade commander of the 4th Mechanized Brigade, Nigerian Army in Benin. He's also been newly posted to Edo State. They are also accompanied, please be seated, by the commander of the NCDC, the Civil Defense Corps, and the director of the Department of State Security. This is to tell you how serious we take what has happened in Ugo. We are here to know that we feel your pain, and that as a government, we are very concerned and we are worried, because the principal role of any government is to protect the lives and property of the citizens.
I want to remind Your Excellency that when the national created area commands in Abuja, Ugo was made an area command. But up till now, we don't know the reason why it has not been implemented. If they had the area command here, we would have had more policemen. When Bala created this police division in his time as Commissioner of Police, he posted 46 policemen. As I speak, Your Excellency, there are only 12 policemen in this station. So we have their guard at the gate, and then their oga, you find out that there's nobody to even do any patrol. So the important is that we need more policemen at this police station. We will beg very seriously that the area command should be established here so that we can get more policemen.
Governor Obaseki still come tell Ugo people say him administration go shook eye put for the yamayama wey this NamaNama people dey cause for the community, as dem go begin do ogbonge operation wey go help them gbab the bad people. In yarn say even though say dem no go fit bring back the people wey don kpeme, dem go make sure say the NamaNama people no go fit see anybody kpai again. The way can see governor still come assure Ugo community say him administration go soon begin reconstruct all the roads wey don spoil for the area, make their economy fit improve well.
I know this is not the first time it has happened, but we want to make sure that this sort of thing does not happen again in these communities. I want to thank you because you are peace-loving people. I know what other people would have done in the face of the provocation and the attacks that you have faced. I want to assure you that an operation will be carried out. I am very happy with the number of vigilantes I see in the community, which means that you have enough information. We are not against, like you have said, you are not against the presence of anybody who wants to come and do business here. Whether they want to come and herd their cattle or they want to do other forms of business. You are not against them. You are only saying that if they have to come here and graze, they must do it legally and lawfully. So therefore, we are going to undertake an operation where we vacate anybody who is not supposed to be in the forest, out of the forest. We cannot bring back the lives of those we have lost. All we can do is to make sure we do not lose more lives. We will support the local government chairman to help and support the families of those we have lost. I am happy that you have not taken the laws into your hands. That is why I came here with the law enforcement agents to do what they need to do. I'm here with the Deputy Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, who is your son, Honorable Asoro. They have already passed the budget, and this your road is priority. So he will make sure that the contractors move to site quickly to come and repair those portions of the road that need to repair.
Yoni le matamia where a governor gi mahami mania. We kevano le liege ya mwekweni ya ujo banima ho. Babe matani ya fe no ruwe egbogi mana no do amu magboria. Bebe na aya miewe aya di utia awin ga ujo banima. Wa kama etagbon ama governor. Iya be mi ana la Your Excellency sir. Kenana ba operating now. Area 5 junction were read this pipeline. The security people, a police, a soldier, a pit, a Ubugo junction, a 5 junction were were in a forest area. Iyaba ebani ana meet na create a pit na patrol ebani so that these people will be a little bit scared. So I will say that, sir, on behalf of all your people,
this one are the Ogbonge information we carry con give now. On top inside Edo today. As Obaseki don yarn say in government go carry waka go do correct check for Edo forest. Make them for fit catch the NamaNama people where they buy people anyhow for the states. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Now you carry this Ogbonge informate to come give una. My name na Oiza Aburi Ogun from Ubo.